Hello friends, hope you're doing great. If you're searching for a chicken curry without oil, you are at the right place. Stay with me till the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to make this creamy and yummy chicken and potato curry without oil. Let's start with the ingredients. Now let's jump into the recipe. In a saucepan, add all the ingredients. Just pour enough water to cover all this, but don't add too much water. Once you finish adding the water, stir, cover the pot or the saucepan if you're using a saucepan, and let it cook over medium heat until the curry is perfectly cooked. Meanwhile, we can quickly make our salad. Here I'm chopping 4 pommes d'amour. We call it pommes d'amour here, but it's tomato. 4 small tomatoes. I'm chopping them. Then put them in a bowl. Chop 1 onion and put it in the same bowl. Add 1 roughly chopped lettuce and give it a good mix. Let's drizzle with some olive oil. I love olive oil. Salt, pepper. Add some coriander leaves. If like me, you love coriander leaves. And we drizzle with some lemon juice. Et voila. That's it. Let's get back to the curry. Amazing. Look at this. Lovely. You can add a tablespoon of butter if you want to achieve more creamy texture. Remember, even if you don't add the butter, it's still going to be good and tasty and creamy. Please do consider subscribing if it's not done yet, and tell us what you think about our recipe in the comment section. If you want me to make more English versions, feel free to write it. I won't bite you if you say it. And here I'm having it with this fluffy rice. Look at this sauce and this chili. Everything is well cooked, just perfect. The chicken is soft and absorbed all these spices and flavors. And I think you'll love this curry. Please try this recipe at home and tell me what you think about it.